Okay, a quick video to show you the split screen function on the iPad. So if I have something up, a window up, let's say I have Safari open, and while in Canvas I want to see a picture, so I know which picture I want to upload. I take my finger down to the bottom down here, and I'm going to swipe up from the bottom and bring up the dock. And with the dock brought up, my recent apps are there, and over here we see photos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on it and hold it for a second, and then I'm going to bring it up here and hold for a second till that window splits a little bit and it's sitting in that black space, and then I let go and it's going to have my pictures and it's going to have Safari in a split screen. Now if you see this little handle right here, you can grab that and you can move it so you can split it 1/3 on the left and 2/3 on the right, 1/3 on the right, 2/3 on the left, or split down the middle. Obviously an iPad screen is somewhat small, but if you have the iPad and you're doing something that you want to be able to do quickly and easily and you're on the go, and of course it's a little easier than holding a laptop as you walk around, this gives you the ability to split the screen, see something on each side, and to actually work on different things on each side. So I can click on something on the right side and I can still work on the left side as well by clicking on something. So you can actually interact with the two, but you can't have more than two open at once. If I try to do that, it just comes right back again. So there you go, split screen for the iPad. You will find there are a couple of instances. I believe Notes, the native Notes in the iPad is one of them, in which you cannot split screen, but you can do that. And if you have any questions, let me know.